Welcome back to another video, guys. Today we are going to do something different and hopefully up to your standard. So, I'm just going to turn you to a black screen, just like that. So, we are sorry to announce the 21:52 Transpenning Express service to Newcastle is delayed by approximately 29 minutes. This is due to a safety inspection on a train. That is the 21:52 Transpenning Express service to Leeds. Let's just put you on that train. The next train to depart from platform 10A will be the... Oh, wrong one, sorry. The next train to depart from platform 12A will be the 22:06 Transpenning Express service to Liverpool Lime Street. Hauling at Huddersfield, Manchester, Victoria, Newton, Wilmslow, Lee Green and Liverpool Lime Street. Sorry for some of these don't sound right to you. I'm having difficulties pronouncing them myself. Sorry. The next train to arrive at platform, and my laptop's being very slow. The next train to depart from platform 2B will be the... Oh, no, that's the wrong one. Next train to depart from platform 11C will be the 22:07 Northern service to Brickhouse. This will be calling at Bramley, Newport Street, Bradford Interchange, Longmore, Halifax and Brickhouse. That is platform 11C for the 22:07 Northern service to Brickhouse. Next train to depart from platform 8D will be the 22:07 Transpenning Express service to Scarborough, calling at York, Moulton, Seymour and Scarborough. That is platform 8D for the 22:07 Transpenning Express service to Scarborough. We are sorry to announce the 22:17 Transpenning Express service to Manchester Airport has been cancelled. This is due to animals online earlier. The next train to depart from platform 2B will be the 22:22 Northern service to Doncaster. This is the slow service to Doncaster. This will be calling at Outwood, Wakefield, Westgate, Sandal, Abrick, Fitzwilliam, Southampton, Adwick, Bentley and Doncaster. That is platform 2B for the 22:22 Northern service to Leeds. You must note the carriages on this train has 4 carriages. The next train to depart from platform. It is being very slow today, my computer. The next train to depart from platform 2C will be the 22:06 Northern service to Skipton, calling at Kirkstall Forge, Applebury Bridge, Shipley, Saltaire, Bingley, Crossflats, Keighley and Skipton. That is platform 2C for the 2226 Northern Service to Skipton.